Holy shit. Did you hear that? That was 95 years of... Holy fuck. You heard that too? That was loud, eh?
Yeah.
Holy.
Tell us about what's going on.
Yeah, the shoulders always bother me, the left one. If I end up like throwing away too many jabs or like too many lead punches, it always bothers.
Yeah.
It just feels tight. It gets heavy, you know?
Have you had
anything overhead press, I always have issues with.
Okay. Mainly through, so how are you doing, so how often do you, so you're doing boxing predominantly? Yeah. Boxing and weights?
Yeah.
Is it giving you any grief with anything else or just during,
during
boxing?
That and sometimes overhead.
Just overhead press, okay. You getting any neck, mid-back, lower back?
No.
Just more like stiff, generalized stiffness or that sort of stuff, okay. Okay, I'll get you to start off with, we'll do this one. Any discomfort?
No.
Okay, all right. And to left? Any discomfort?
No.
To the right? Any discomfort?
No.
It's a bit stiff on this right side there. Okay. Right arm like this. Strong. Okay, strong. Yeah, same deal. And internally rotate. Now same deal. Is that just weak or is it sore?
I can't.
Just weak, yeah. This side might be a bit different.
I have no strength.
Strong. Is there any pain or just weakness?
Weakness.
When I go in, it's like that. That's really weak.
Yeah, that's this.
Yeah, because that one I thought, because that's a rotator cuff.
Not even a second I can hold that.
Yeah, whereas this one's just a delt test. That one's one of the rotator cuffs. So, because I think you've probably got a supraspinatus issue. Yeah, I reckon you got, because you're getting impingement through there. I knew this one would probably be a lot worse. So that causes a bit of pain.
Yeah.
When I go through that. Yeah. Whereas this one, just weak.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Little finger thumb. And strong. Go again. Strong. Okay.
Makes me feel so weak.
Strong. That's what I'm here for. Just to break people down and build them up.
Break the will.
Yeah. Okay. All right, cool. All right, I've got one for you. A different one you wouldn't have had done. The Y strap.
Oh, what's this?
This one's good. So basically, this is like a decompression tool.
Okay.
So fairly similar to what I did with Malcolm, but this one's just a bit of a different one. Okay? So this one will help more with like taking pressure through there and throughout the rest of your spine. So I'll get you on your back, face up. So legs over here. So we're like that and laying back.
Laying back here?
Yeah. All right. So head up.
Yo, Malcolm, tell my mom I love her. This looks like I escaped.
Looks like you are?
I escaped an institution or something, you know?
Chin up. Okay. So with this one, it's going to have a chin up. Yeah. It's going to go like this. So with this one, chin up a bit like that. Yeah. So just relax as much as you can. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go boom, and you're going to come down, okay? So breathing in and out.
Holy shit. Did you hear that? That was 95 years of... Holy fuck. You heard that too? That was loud, eh?
Yeah.
Holy. That was crazy.
How'd it feel?
I feel taller.
Yeah. That's trauma releasing out of the body.
Dude, that was bad, no?
Hey?
That what you heard, that was pretty bad.
Bad? It was what I expect. It was what I expect, yeah. Yeah. But look, obviously I expected you to have quite a bit in there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Just from years of training, probably you would have never had anything like that done. I'll get you coming up the table. So just shuffling up. So yeah. So just your head's there.
Oh, my head's...
Yeah, no, your head's there. So laying on your back again, like how you were, but just coming up. Yeah.
I just realized I don't have any underwear on and my pants came off, so I'm sorry. We just came from the saunas.
This is OnlyFans, mate. We're going live. Left ear touching left shoulder all the way. Yeah, it's a good one. How's that, man?
I feel like I'm being baptized right now.
I've got the water ready.
I've
got the holy water.
This is crazy, man.
That right ear. Be good.
That's insane, man. That was crazy.
Strong? Strong? Yeah, strong. Resist? Yeah, same. And if I go out, resist? Yeah, see how your hip just goes all the way up? Yeah, that means you're compensating through there. And strong?
How long will adjustment like this last?
Everyone's different. Like, I mean, some people, and depends, like, where it lasts at a really good level, could be anywhere for a few days to a month or something like that. That's why generally people would come in more. But if someone's getting some regular work, then it'll learn to last longer.
Really?
Yeah. But it depends on the individual. And when you say last.
Some people like the high level intensity training every day.
Yeah, and last could be like one. If I test someone, for some people, last might be, oh, am I feeling okay? Not much pain. That could be their definition of last. Or for me, it would mean like me retesting someone and then testing strong, because they might go, oh, I feel good, but I test them 3 days later, and in generally it might be 80% better.
That feels amazing, man.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, just kicked in.
Yeah. I feel like my head's just so much lighter.
Yeah.
Shit, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, so like generally, I mean, people could feel better for months after one, but they might only feel better for 3 days. 3 days, yeah. But if you're training like you would basically, you get adjusted, like you'd get better, and then it'd start to come back a bit. But it wouldn't go like all the way back to where you were. So it's almost like you go 3 steps forward, 1 step back, 3 steps forward, 1 step back, until you hit a decent stabilization level. But it wouldn't just like stay, because you're doing so much physical activity, and you get, I mean, even if someone's 100%, then you get takedown, get put on your head, and you're getting cracked in the jaw. Like, yeah, a lot of the issues will, start to present again. That's why some form of regularity will help.
Well, I have no strength at all. You held my leg
Yeah.
up for like 10 minutes.
You're like, you want me just to shut the fuck up?
Asking 50 questions.
Strong? You're like, see, there's nothing.
There's nothing. I'm
Oh,
exhausted.
man. That's just fatigue. And breathe in.
This is going to be bad.
And out. There we go. Cool. So that. There we go. This one, we go in there. This one, in. Yeah. When I go in here, knees going out, like so. And in. And in. Both going out. Left one's both. Yeah. Like you're doing a butterfly guard. Yeah, and out. And in. 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 Okay.
This is not going to be a good time at all.
No. Open it up a bit more. I know there's some trust issues here.
Fuck.
And breathing in. And out. Okay. All right. Get your head here. Yeah, and down. And opening your jaw. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. It's still a bit stiff in there. Do you come from a striking or grappling?
Striking.
Striking, yeah. Boxing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But definitely not taking his, just training like he does.
Yeah. And open. Hit this side as well. Okay. all the way. Open your mouth. Close. Open. There we go. It's okay?
Oh, that's beautiful.
You alright?
Yeah.
And open. That's good. Cool. Close. And open. Good. All good?
I feel like, yeah.
Good. On your tummy, thanks, man.
Thank you so much.
That's all right. Face down. Okay.
To wrap me up.
Hey? Hey, you still got more, man. Right, I'll get that
It's insane.
right leg up. The other right. Yeah. And straight the whole way. Down. And up. And down. And up. And down. Left one up. And down. Yeah, not moving well on that side. And up. Go right one again. Right one again. See how the left one's not as much? Yeah. And you got some rotation in your pelvis going a bit in like that as well. That's it. All right, get your arm behind here, man.
Fuck, I feel that in my left.
It's like the cups are resting you. Right there. Oh, here we go. It's all right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh. All right. This one. All right. Go the other side. This one here. You've had enough. Get in there. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Right. On your side, man. Facing this way. Okay. Hey? Yeah, scalp scopping. You like this one? Okay, here. Hand on hand. This one here. There we go. You good? Alright. Alright. This one. Just let it relax. There we go. Cool. Other side, thanks. This one. Alright.
That was my favorite one, right?
That was your favourite? Was it?
Yeah, my hips, and my.
And you go on the fetal position. So this one. Right.
That's always tight.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, just relax there, man. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. There we go.
Buddy, you're just making a highlight reel off
Oh,
me.
shit. Okay. This one. Come on. Oh shit, there you go.
Sound like they're back.
Yeah. Bro, that's fucking power when that thing comes off. Right, ain't messing around. Alright. You coming down just a bit more? A little bit this way? Yep. Yeah, cool. And that right leg up. And strong. Good?
Much better.
Good. Sitting up, facing that way. Alright.
When do we have a third guy? There's another guy in here too, eh?
They're just piling in.
You like, bring all the medics. We got the worst case here today.
Yeah. We need backup. Yeah, that's pretty sore, man. Okay. So that relax. This one. There we go. Alright. And to the left, all the way. Much better.
Yeah.
It's alright.
I can see the back of the room. I can see your Nike shoes.
There you go.
Where are they from?
They're gonna go missing in about 5 minutes. Alright, go right arm like this. Other right. Push. Good. Go in. Push. This one will be a good test. Just relax. Not as bad as your one.
No, but I know left one's shot.
He's got a desk job.
No, no, left one's gonna be worse because you know why? Because you kicked me like several times.
You also have a desk job.
Oh, here we go.
Here we
That's
go.
not jokes.
He's winding them up.
You know I can fucking see you with my neck now, eh? Yeah.
There we go. This hits different, this one. Give it a little. Jesus.
It's bad when you say Jesus.
Yeah,
That's
I
not a
know.
good sign.
You're not wrong. All right. Okay. All right, what we do? Right arm again. Push. Good. Left one. In. How'd that feel?
Much better.
Not as much pain? Second time?
I feel
Man.
great. Thank you
You
so
survived.
much, man. I appreciate it.
You're a warrior.
Thank you.
Awesome work, my man.
Thank you. That was amazing.
You did
Thank
very
you.
well.